The cloud computing landscape is about to get even more intriguing. Amazon has just unveiled a bold move that challenges the status quo and its competitors' strategies. AI factories are here, but not as you'd expect. Amazon's new AI factory product is designed to empower large enterprises and governments to run AI systems within their own data centers, addressing data sovereignty concerns. This means customers can maintain complete control over their sensitive information, ensuring it never falls into the hands of rivals or foreign entities. And here's the twist: this concept is inspired by Nvidia's hardware systems, which are packed with AI-focused tools, including GPU chips and networking capabilities. But here's where it gets controversial. AWS is partnering with Nvidia to create these AI factories, which will utilize a blend of AWS and Nvidia technology. Customers can choose between Nvidia's Blackwell GPUs or Amazon's Trainium 3 chip, along with AWS networking, storage, databases, and security solutions. They can also leverage Amazon Bedrock for AI model management and AWS SageMaker for model training. And Amazon isn't the only one embracing this approach. Microsoft has already showcased its AI factories, which will run OpenAI workloads in their global data centers. However, Microsoft's initial announcement didn't mention private cloud availability, focusing instead on their AI Superfactories in Wisconsin and Georgia, built with Nvidia's data center technology. Microsoft also recently revealed plans for local data centers and cloud services to tackle data sovereignty, offering Azure Local as an on-premises solution. It's fascinating to see AI driving cloud providers back to on-premises data centers and hybrid cloud solutions, reminiscent of the early cloud era. But is this a step forward or a step back? Are we witnessing a new era of data control or a temporary shift in the cloud computing paradigm? What do you think? Are AI factories the future of data sovereignty, or is there a better approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below.